I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want.
Hey friends, and welcome back to another Walgreens video. In this video, I am going to explain how to use the digital percentage off coupons that we get in our app sometimes. I'm going to explain the best way to utilize these coupons, how to properly calculate your percentage off, and then I'm going to also give you an example breakdown that I did with the written breakdown as well as the receipt. Now, before we get into all of that, let me just quickly add, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, definitely make sure that you're actually subscribed. Hit the subscribe bell, hit the subscribe button, and then the bell notification will pop up. Hit the bell, that way you are notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are already subscribed to the channel, but you are not getting notifications, the easiest way to do so is to quickly unsubscribe and then resubscribe. The little bell notification will come on, click the bell, and then you will get notifications every time I upload. Guys, my goal here is to teach you how to coupon at these stores, whether it's CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Kroger's, wherever. But it is to teach you how to properly coupon at these stores, utilize the store rewards and programs available to keep your cash out of pocket as low as possible. That is the goal with couponing, is to save money, not spend money, and not save store money. So again, I am going to show you how to best utilize the digital percentage off coupons that we receive in our app sometimes. Now at Walgreens, we actually receive two different types of percentage off coupons. One is digital, and then the other one is paper. The paper coupon looks like this. It is printed from the Catalina machine. This coupon will print out after a transaction, and it will be for 20% off a $10 purchase of regular price items. I believe they also have one that may be 10% off a $20 purchase or 10% off a $10 purchase. Nonetheless, this is what the paper percentage off coupon looks like. And again, it's printed from the Catalina machine at the end of your transaction. One thing to note about these, they are not linked to any account. Therefore, you can earn it on one account, or it can print off on one account, and then you can take it and use it on a different account. If you find these on the ground, find them in a basket, find them in the trash. If a customer gives you one, you can use it on your account because they are not linked to any account. The same is true for register rewards. They are not linked to any account. The same is true for these spin paper perks. They are not linked to any account, okay? So with the paper percentage coupons, I'm going to come back and do a separate video on these and how to go about applying them to your transaction. The digital and the paper work completely opposite of each other, okay? So I'm going to do a separate video on this one. So again, make sure you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss when that video goes live, okay? The digital perk, you can use it on sale items. The paper perk, you cannot. Paper perk has to be regular price items. Digital, you can use it on the sale items, okay? That is the main difference between the two. And again, I will do a separate video on the paper perk. So the deals that I am showing in this example are good for the week of January the 12th through the 18th. However, the foundational information that I am sharing is foundational, and it will carry over week to week, deal to deal. If there's ever a change as how these percentage off coupons are working, I will definitely come back and do an updated video as well as an updated post. And if I do, I will leave a pinned comment with the updated video on this video. And I will also leave it in the description box of this video. So be sure, if you're watching this in the future, after this particular sales week, that you check the pinned comment as well as the description box for any updated information, if there's information to be updated, okay? So again, the deals that I'm doing are good for the week of the 12th through the 18th, but the foundational information will carry over into the future. Okay, so everything that I'm going over is going to be pertaining to the digital percentage off coupon. The paper percentage off coupon, again, I will come back and do an entire different video on that. This is only pertaining to the digital percentage off coupon. In my opinion, the best way to utilize any perks, percentage off, threshold, spend perks, is that you want to focus on the deals that are on sale and or on promotion, giving back either points and or registered rewards, and of course what we have coupons for. So the best way to squeeze as much bang for the buck out of these perks is to pair it with deals that are on sale and or on promotion, and of course that we have coupons for. Even if you don't necessarily need these products at the time, or you don't utilize these products, if it's going to cost you pennies on a dollar or going to be absolutely free and it's going to earn you money, we do the deals. If we don't need the product, if we don't use the product, we donate the product, okay? If you're into reselling, you resell the product. We're going to take the store money that we earn from doing these particular deals, and we're going to use it to buy the things that we actually need and or want, okay? That is the key with drugstore couponing. You're going to be utilizing the store's sales, the store's promotion to get products, and then also get the things that you may actually be in need of, all while paying the least amount of cash out of pocket, but still getting back store money to do it all over again. That is the key right there, the secret sauce. And on top of that, you will be building a significant stockpile of basic necessities week by week by week, okay? Okay, so let's go over some basic information as it pertains to the digital percentage off coupon. All coupons will have a threshold amount requiring you to spend X amount. Example, I am utilizing a 20% off a $35 purchase. I must purchase $35 worth of product before tax is calculated, before manufacturer coupons are subtracted, and after any additional Walgreens coupons / money is taken off. Example, we have an IVC coupon booklet. These are store coupons. If you're picking up a product that you're going to utilize a store coupon on, you have to make sure that after the store coupon is applied, you still meet your required spend amount, which in this case is $35. Okay, so I must spend I must spend / purchase $35 worth of merchandise to save the 20% before tax is calculated, before manufacturer coupons are subtracted, and after any additional Walgreens savings, okay? Very important. Now, the one thing about these percentage off coupons is that they are not capped off at that set threshold amount. Meaning, if I purchase $100 worth of product, I will get 20% off $100. If I only purchase up to $35 worth of product, then I will get 20% off $35. This is because the percentage off coupon will actually apply to each individual item that you are purchasing, not just a flat amount. Even though the numbers actually come out the same, kind of, sort of, it's math. But again, you can purchase beyond what the stated threshold is. You will still receive the 20% off the higher price, okay? Example, if I purchase $100 worth of product, I will get 20% off the 100. If I stick at $35, I will get 20% off the $35, okay? The digital percentage off coupon will apply to sale items that have been reduced in retail price. Example, the item is normally priced at $10, but it's on sale for $8. The percentage off coupon will apply. The percentage off coupon will also apply to items that are on promotion, giving back points and or a registered reward. The percentage off coupon will apply, okay? You can also stack the digital percentage off coupon with a spend perk. whether that perk is digital or whether that perk is paper. You just have to make sure that after the percentage off coupon is applied, that you are still at your required spend amount. That will be done in a separate video. I will touch on it just a tad bit in this video, but I will do a separate video on that and how it all works together, okay? So I believe that is all the basic information. If there's anything I left out, I will leave it in a pinned comment down below for you, some quick tips. That way you guys have all the information you need to be successful with getting your deals as well. So I'm going to turn the camera around, show you guys the written breakdown, how to calculate the percentage off coupon, go over the receipt, and all of that stuff there. So again, the deals that I am discussing in this video are valid for the week of January the 12th through the 18th. However, the foundational information is valid for future deals utilizing a digital percentage off coupon. Again, the deals themselves are valid for January the 12th through the 18th. The foundational information on how to utilize the percentage off coupons that are digital is foundational and will apply to future percentage off coupons. Okay, so what I did is I wrote it out kind of how I see it in my brain on paper. So we have the cost of the item here. We have any IVC coupons that would apply to the item. We have the new total after the IVC coupon. We have the amount that's going to come off the new total for the percentage off coupon. We have what our new total is after the percentage off coupon. Then we have whatever amount we have in manufacturer coupons. And then what our final cost is. So this is the formula to follow. The cost of the item minus IVC, new subtotal, minus your percentage off coupon, new subtotal, minus the manufacturer coupons, final cost for the product, okay? This is how the formula goes. So your IVC coupons will apply before your percentage coupon and before manufacturer coupons, okay? So everything is written out. We have Tresemme at $4.99 each. The Lysol is $4.99. Buy one, get one free. The free item at Walgreens ring up for $0 automatically, so you do not count that into your total. The Colgate is $4.99. Colgate toothbrushes are $2.99 for a subtotal of $50.89 before tax, before manufacturer coupons, and before the IVC coupons are calculated in as well. Now, on this particular example, we have no IVC coupons that we're utilizing. So we're at $50.89 minus the amount for our percentage off coupon, and we're getting that number from this column here. That's $10.20 coming off, minus the amount we have in manufacturer coupons, which is $16.50, and we're getting that number from here. Leaves us with a subtotal of $24.19. I'm going to utilize a register reward that I received from Revlon the week before. This is a manufactured register reward. So if you had, let's say, a $5 reward from a different deal, let's say Crest or Colgate from a previous week, you can add it in. If you only had a $4 register reward, add it in. The key is to use the store's money to lower the out-of-pocket expense you would have, okay? So I'm using a $5 register reward here. My new total, $19.19. This is before tax is calculated. Now, we're going to stop right here just for a quick second, and I'm going to throw in a little bit of information. So, you can stack a percentage off coupon with a spin perk. This is a paper perk. I'm just using this as a placeholder, as an example. This scenario here, based on the transaction that I did right here, will work with using a digital spin perk and using points to pay, okay? So if we had a digital spin 20, get 5, or if we were doing a brand specific spin deal, example, The Nexus is on a spend 20, get 10,000 points back. Okay, that's a brand specific deal. You would have to purchase Nexus products to complete that deal. A spend perk, digital or the paper, or general perks, they will apply to any item that you are purchasing. Okay, so just for example's sake, I got this here as a placeholder. If you had a digital spend perk and a percentage off coupon, this is how it would work with using points to pay and getting points back. We're at $50.89 subtotal before tax and before any coupons are taken off. We're going to subtract our percentage off savings, which is $10.20. If we had any IVC coupons, we would go ahead and take that off as well here. So our new total is $40.69. We still meet the required spend or purchase amount for the deal and the perk. Again, spend 20, get 5. We're at $40.69 after the percentage off coupon is applied. So we're still good to go. Minus our coupons, we have $16.50 in manufacturer coupons for the products that we're buying. And we have $5 in register reward manufacturer coupons. Subtotal $19.19 plus our tax brings us down to $20.28. So we're good to use 20,000 points and pay the remainder cash out of pocket. Okay, so here you go. $16.50 plus $5 equals $21.50. You have spent the required spend amount of $20. You have paid the required spend amount of $20. So you can use points on the remaining balance. The only time this does not work is using the paper spend perk. With these paper spend perks that print from the Catalina machine, you cannot use points to pay at all. You cannot use points to pay. If it's a digital spend perk, you can use points to pay following this formula. What it is that you have to make sure whatever you have in manufacturer coupons for the products you're picking up, plus any register rewards that you're going to use, plus any amount cash out of pocket that you may need to pay, covers your required spend amount. Okay, the required spend amount is $20. We have paid $21.50 in coupons, so we have met that spend requirement. Okay, all right, so back to the breakdown. My new subtotal is $19.19 after all coupons and before tax. I know that my tax rate is 8.25%. I also know that I purchase oral care products. And here in Houston, not sure if this is across the board or across the nation, but we are not taxed on oral care products for toothpaste, mouthwash, and a few other dental products, I believe. So my tax was only $1.09. Giving me a new total of $20.28. I rolled 20 in points, paying 28 cents cash out of pocket. Okay, so let's talk about this for a second. I find that it's very important to know how you're taxed, what your tax rate is, so that you can calculate your totals down to the very last penny. That way you're always paying the least amount of cash out of pocket. The game with couponing is to save cash, not spend it and not save on the store money. You want to save your cash. So I have learned how to shop as a consumer and to really shop as a couponer. Okay, so let's look at the receipt. All right, so the Lysol $4.99. The second one is free. It rings up at 0 automatically. The Colgate toothbrushes, the Tresemme, and you see the percentage off coupon takes it off on each individual item. The Colgate toothpaste, all of my coupons applied. with no issues. Subtotal 1919, tax 109, 2028, and I wrote 20,000 in points. And let's look at the point balance. So you see I earned 15,000 in points. That is for completing the Tresemme deal. Then I also earned beauty, so a total of 15,000 points. And I did redeem 20,000 in points. Now, one thing to note, if I did have a digital spend perk, again, I would have been able to use points to pay and still get the points back on the digital spend perk. I did not have a digital spend perk to pair with this deal. I only have the paper spend perk. And with the paper, you cannot use points to pay. If I would have utilized the paper, I would have to roll in more register rewards to cover my costs and to keep my costs as low as possible, okay? On this transaction, I decided not to do that and to use points to pay to keep my costs as low as possible, okay? But it does work with stacking those together. So one more time for the receipt. And again, the percentage off coupon comes off of each item individually. All coupons scanned with no problems. 20,000 in points was used. 15,000 in points was earned. And again, 20,000 was used. So with that being said, I hope that this was clear and understandable. If you have questions about any of the things I discussed in this video, of course, leave it down below for me. Let me show you guys the coupons right fast. So it's $4 off 2 Tresemme and then $2 off 1 for the hairspray. That is why on here, I wrote it out as such. $2 off because it's 4 off 2. It's basically giving you $2 off each Tresemme, okay? So just that way you can see that. And we can pan over this. That way you guys can see how I come up with my numbers. And again, if you have questions about anything, ask in the comments below. I don't mind answering. As I always say, the deals are in the details. The more you know, the more you save. Walgreens, in my opinion, is one of the most beautiful places to coupon at. The deals are unlimited, meaning they don't track per account. So you can literally build a stockpile within a month span and really have some basic necessities in your stock. I absolutely love this store. It has a ton of corks, but once you understand the foundational information and how to layer everything on top of each other, well, it just works like butter. Like butter. Paying 28 cents cash out of pocket. I had to dig way down deep in my coin purse, and I'm still getting back store money. So I got back the 15,000 in points, and then on this particular deal, I did get back $10 in register rewards. There is a $4 printing for the toothpaste, and a $6 printing for the toothbrush, and a $6 printing for the toothpaste. So I did get back 10 in register rewards, and then 15 in points here, for a total of $25 coming back, and I paid 28 cents cash out of pocket, okay? It can be done, guys. My goal here is to teach you guys how to utilize the programs available at these stores and save the most amount of cash out of pocket. That is the goal with couponing. As always, if you have questions, leave it in the comments. Definitely be sure to like the video, share the video, leave me a comment either way it goes. If you have a question or you don't, just drop a comment. It does help the performance of the video. Definitely be sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And definitely be sure you have your notifications on so that way you don't miss any uploads from me. And as always, guys, thanks so very much. Until next time, happy couponing.